Imagine UY Scuti, one of the largest stars known, suddenly entering our solar system. Its sheer size, over 1,700 times the radius of the Sun, would create chaos. The gravitational pull would disrupt the orbits of planets, potentially sending Earth into a new trajectory. The intense radiation and heat would scorch the inner planets, making them uninhabitable. As UY Scuti approaches, the night sky would transform into a dazzling spectacle, with its fiery glow dominating the horizon. But this beauty comes at a cost. The tidal forces could trigger catastrophic events like massive earthquakes and tsunamis on Earth. And let's not forget the potential for new celestial phenomena. Comets and asteroids from the Kuiper Belt might be flung into the inner solar system, creating a cosmic fireworks show. In this mind-boggling scenario, our planet would be caught in a cosmic dance, teetering on the edge of survival. What a wild ride that would be!